Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun.
Back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to make a very beautiful coaster with the help of this popsicle.
Feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun, with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun, running, running low.
You can decorate it with the help of painting or anything what you want.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun, with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun, running, running low. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running low. Keep running low. Running low, keep running. Running low, keep running, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so. Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun, with a rose and a